Before your lawsuit, you trusted your doctor. You loved your doctor. And now you're hoping that after you brought your lawsuit, that after it's all over, that the doctor's going to take you back as a patient. What do you think the likelihood is that the doctor will take you back in as a patient? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And the answer most likely is, no, the doctor is never going to take you back. What doctor in their right mind is going to take a patient back after they just sued him? Any doctor in their right mind going to do that? In all likelihood, the answer is no. You may feel guilty that you brought a lawsuit against your doctor. The doctor has feelings as well. And he's probably upset and angry that you brought a lawsuit against him because he claims, hey, don't blame me, I did nothing wrong. And even if I did something wrong, so did you. And guess what? Even if I did something wrong and you did something wrong too, your injuries really aren't as bad as you claim them to be. So why are you bothering me? Why are you making me defend this case and taking up all my time and now having to go to trial? But guess what? You brought this lawsuit for a reason. You felt that the doctor violated the basic standards of medical care. You felt that the doctor was careless. And as a result of that carelessness, he caused you significant harm and injury. And all of that was confirmed by a medical expert, a board-certified medical expert, who confirmed that you had a valid basis for a case. So now you believe in your own mind that after this case is all finished, that after you've resolved it favorably, that somehow you still want to go back to this doctor. And you know what? If you were to tell the doctor this information during the course of your trial, let's say you see him in the back of the courtroom and go over and say, hey, doctor, I just want to let you know I'm so sorry that I had to bring this lawsuit against you. By the way, will you take me back as a patient after this is over? There's no way, absolutely no way he's going to say yes. And besides, something else you need to know. If you are to say that, he will immediately go tell his attorney what you just said. And now when you get up to testify, the defense lawyer, when he has a chance to cross-examine you, he's going to use that to cross-examine you to show to the jury that you feel guilty bringing this lawsuit, that this lawsuit doesn't really have any merit, that the only reason you're doing it is to try and obtain money compensation, and in fact, that you really didn't want to bring this case to begin with, but in fact was pressured to do it. So the moment you try and do that, that information will be used against you, and don't think for a second that the doctor is going to want you back as a patient. So why do I share this wake-up call with you? I share it with you just to make you realize that if you're bringing a lawsuit against a doctor here in New York and hope that he's going to take you back as a patient afterwards, it's not going to happen. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.